Hey guys, it's Amanda back at On Stage. I'm going to teach you how to do a nice loose beach wave with a curling iron. I'm going to be using a 1 1/4 inch. Okay, a 1 1/4 inch. I'm using a babyless. You can use a Hot Tools, whatever really. This is like my hair like a day 2, which I like when it kind of loosens up, but I start out doing it kind of tighter. So I'll just get to it and show you how it's done. I don't really section it off and just kind of grab pieces, so I'm going to do that. I like to do some going away and some going towards your face. The ones towards your face are going to be like the ones like this one. I'll go like right in here, turn it, let it kind of heat up at the root, drop it out, and turn. Like that. And that's it.